So the caravan works on a 12 volt system. There's always 12 volt systems in the background, okay? That is the master switch to switch it on. So if you can see, things are lit already at the moment, so that shows it's on. Water pump, so that's switch your water pump. Don't switch that on straight away, I'll tell you in a minute. Master switch for your main lights. Master switch for your dimmable lights, which are the ones above the lockers. And as I said, Orly light, so the extra button of Orly light there. If I wave my hand in front of the screen, it lights it up, so it goes to sleep after a bit, so that's not going to be glaring in the middle of the night. What's shown in the centre of the screen is the voltage of your battery. So that's going through a charger at the moment, that's why it's showing that voltage. If there was no electric connected, it'd show you the true value of that battery. Right. If you're running on with no electric, obviously that battery's not going to last that long, even though you've got solar power. It's still, if you start switching all the lights on, it's still going to drain your battery down. Okay. Okay, what you've also got, this little L in the battery there, that's to show you've got a leisure battery connected. Sun icon, you'll see it disappear every now and again, that's to say your solar panel's operating. Flash of electric, that's electric connected, obviously then clock at the top. Sargent, that's the actual system it's running on, so that Sargent is the actual manufacturer of this system. What we've got this side is the menu. Okay, so you can scroll up or down to find different things. So leisure is charging, so that's why it's showing 14.2 volts. You could see your vehicle battery if it was attached. Solar to vehicle, so you've got a solar panel which is giving around about 14 volts at the moment. Select battery, if your car was still attached on the pitch, you could actually select that battery if you wanted to, but obviously you're going flat the battery on that, you're in trouble.
I've got a leisure battery in the van anyway.
You've got a leisure battery on there as well, right. I don't know if they connect direct to that,
right.
But probably not, I wouldn't have thought. But no. AC limit, what you've got there, you obviously connect your electric to the bollard on site, okay? If you switch all the electrical stuff on, if you've got electric kettle, toaster, hairdryer, that, heating on 3 kilowatts, microwave, all that lot, it's going to trip the bollard, yeah? What you could do is set a limit. Obviously if you switch all them on, you're still probably going to trip it anyway, but with the AC limit, what you can do is set a limit. So you can, as low down as 5 amps, so the Continent tend to be more a lower ampage. You see in the centre there, that's what's actually being used at the moment. So it wouldn't take much for me now to take that above that limit. What it would do is start shutting the heating system down on electric.
Okay.
Okay, so that runs off.
So you use your gas then?
Sorry?
Does it then run off gas, the heating?
Yeah, well if you've selected that, yeah. Well, I'll tell you a bit about that in a minute. So with this you can set all the way up to 16 amp. So a lot of the sites in this country are around about 16 amp.
Okay.
Alright, so that's what will happen if you do decide to go above that limit, or you just be cautious and don't put too much electrical stuff on. The more than likely it's going to happen more in the winter perhaps rather than the summer, because you're going to have less energy operating in the summer, hopefully. Right, what we've also got, internal temperature, you'll see the temperature is slightly different. What it is the sensors are in different places. So that's the actual heating control panel itself.
Go and sit down.
Then dimmer level. So the dimmer level you can set manually, so the ones above the lockers at the front and the back. If I press the select button, which is the one that looks like an arrow pointing towards the screen, you see that's now dropped down to 5%, and you can see that dim. If I press it, you can obviously set it all the way up to 100%. You can see the difference on that. You can do that on the app as well. Heating settings. So if you wanted to, this command panel will control the heating. So you need to set to app or timer on there if you want to use that to control your heating.
Yep.
So we're up to system settings. From there, what we can do is set the clock, set these different things, also pair up the phone if you want to operate on Bluetooth as well. Then we're back round to that. Okay?
Okay.
Enough information on that. What we'll do, we'll come back to that.